Struggling to get or stay hard? Before you try pills or pumps, listen up. Ancient medicine has known for centuries that certain pressure points on your body can trigger strong, natural erections, fast. In this video, I'll show you the exact points and how to use them safely and effectively. Hey, I'm Dr. Zoe Hartley, and I help men over 50 reclaim their energy, performance, and confidence naturally. These pressure points are backed by traditional Chinese medicine and supported by modern studies on blood flow and nerve function. Let's get into it. Why pressure points work for ED? Erections rely on circulation plus nerve signaling. Pressure points can stimulate both, improving blood flow and lowering anxiety. Used in acupressure, reflexology, and TCM, these points don't require needles or special tools, just your hands and a few minutes a day. Powerful pressure points for stronger erections. 1. Perineum. Location: between the anus and scrotum. How? Apply gentle pressure using 2 fingers, then use small circular motions for 30 to 60 seconds. Benefit: stimulates pelvic nerves, increases arousal. 2. Inner ankle. Location: 4 finger widths above the inner ankle bone behind the shin. How? Press firmly for 30 seconds, release, repeat 3x. Benefit: boosts pelvic circulation and hormone balance. 3. Lower back. Location: 2 finger widths on either side of the spine at the waist. How? Use your knuckles or a massage ball to apply pressure. Benefit: supports kidney energy, critical in TCM for sexual strength. 4. Base of skull. Location: hollow just below the base of your skull. How? Press gently with thumbs, hold for 20 seconds. Benefit: calms the mind, reduces stress-related ED. 5. Hands. Location: inside of the wrist at the crease under the pinky. How? Light pressure with thumb, circular motion for 1 minute. Benefit: soothes nerves, helps with performance anxiety. When and how to use them? Use 2 to 3 points per session daily. Best times: before bed, in the morning, or 30 minutes before intimacy. Breathe deeply as you apply pressure. Don't rush. Take your time to tune into the sensations. If your erections have been weak, inconsistent, or stressful, try these pressure points. They're safe, effective, and ancient for a reason. Like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe if you want more natural men's health tips. Next up, watch. Massage this nerve to activate blood flow and stronger erections.